Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. This brand new video we're gonna talk about how to remove keychain on your password. When you see this dialog box appear like this, if you put some password, it will not still go. So how to remove it? It's very simple. Go to your finder, go to go and home. From home you go to library, you go down, you look for keychain. This is keychain. And why is it happen like this is because maybe you have changed the password of your Mac, or maybe it's or your iMac or whatever Mac you are using, or maybe you borrow it from someone, or you took it from somebody and you change the password. That is why it is keep on showing up like this. So what you're just gonna do is you go to this file access. You're gonna have some file they have to delete. So modify blah 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 11 a.m. So this is how you're gonna do it. So you just come, this one was created yesterday, and what you're gonna do is you delete some of this file. So you just click first, click deny. So cancel, you click and you just send to scratch. It asks me supplement access to the scratch username password. Okay, so you have already removed, and you can see remove all other trash. Where is it? System keychain, enter password, enter password. So after doing that, you have to restart your you have to restart your Mac. So that is how you remove the keychain for whatever you are doing. If it appear like that, you have to just delete all those files. So restart, and when you restart, everything will be okay. So I don't have any camera to film the restart process, but I guarantee and I assure you, when you restart the process, when you restart your Mac or whatever computer, Mac item you are using, everything will be fine. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video as I'm going to restart. Until then, see you after you just press restart, everything will be fine. Until then, see you.